Hey guys, in this Sling Tech video, I'm going to be talking to you about the attachment points on the rear trailing edge of the kite. These different settings will apply to all sizes and all kites in the range. You will have several attachment points and 2 pigtails on the rear trailing edge of the wingtip. You will see that these are labelled low bar pressure and high bar pressure with a plus and a minus sign. Adjusting these attachment points will affect the speed and the bar pressure of the kite. The go-to attachment point is on the end of the wingtip on the trailing edge where the minus sign is. When using this setting, the kite will have the least bar pressure and the fastest turning speed. Now, the kite is the most efficient and fastest in this setting, making it the best for big jumps and kite loops, anything big air orientated, or if you want the most performance out of the kite. I always use this setup for bigger kites because generally you want big kites to turn faster, so it's the best setup for anything 12 meter and up, and I tend to use it for big air as well. The further you move the attachment point towards the middle of the wingtip, the more it will slow down the kite and increase the bar pressure. This setting is good if you want to slow down the kite for any reason, such as learning board starts, unhooking on smaller sizes, and just generally if you want the kite to slow down. Normally you do this on smaller kites when the kite's really fast and you just want to slow everything down. I use this setup when I want to unhook on smaller kites, anything from a 10 meter down. The kite will be slower and less responsive, but also have more bar pressure. The only way you're going to see just how much difference this makes is by changing the settings halfway through a session when the conditions are the same. That way you'll get a direct comparison between the two. I'd recommend if you haven't done it before, that way you'll know exactly how it affects the kite for future reference. And finally, to summarise, you're going to have less bar pressure and higher turning speed at the end of the wingtip. And you're going to have more bar pressure and slower turning speed halfway down the wingtip. Thanks for watching.